Oh, what's cracking my scribbles? You know that feeling when you wanna send a little voice message to your friends on Discord? It's too big! So that is why I'm gonna teach you a little trick I got up my sleeve. So this file is 113 megabytes and the max file size on Discord is 8 megabytes. And yes, it's actually possible to convert 113 to 8 using Audacity, everybody's favorite free software. So you just upload your audio file into Audacity and then you hit the export button. After that you change it from MP3, which is the standard, to OGG Vorbit file. And on this section you can change the quality of the exported audio, and I would suggest you to put it pretty low if you're in my scenario where you want to export it to very small from very big. I am personally gonna delete the old file, but if I were you, I would keep the old file for legal reasons only. So let's check out the size of the new audio clip. 6.34 megabytes, and I can actually send it to my friend. Oh my god, and look, it's 13 minutes long!
Hey, let's go!
Alla mina grabbar är homo. Ja, alla mina grabbar är homo. Till och med Viggo är homo. Och Filip är där och han är homo. Hey, thanks for watching Scribble.io. Now you can impress your friends by sending large files in small size. So hit the smash button, hit the like button, subscribe, and then I see you next time. And don't troll me in comment section, I'll be very angry. Okay? Goodbye guys. But I get the ding ding ding. Ooh.